So here's how we can silence spam calls on your Android. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one. The easiest way to make it work, especially if you have a Samsung phone, would be by opening up the phone app, and then when you click on the three dots for more options, you can proceed to the settings of the phone app, and you can see right there at the top we have the block numbers section, so you can tap on it, and there is going to be the toggle which is called block calls from unknown numbers. You can most definitely enable that. Like if you don't know who that is, you can essentially just block them right away, or you can also add some specific phone numbers into the field below, which is going to be blocked by default by your choice, right? So that's how you can add specific numbers to the blocked list. But when you come back, you can as well see the caller ID and a spam protection. And that's something which you can as well enable. It's something that allows you to identify spam and make sure that you get it at first informed about it, and also that it's silent and that you don't really treat it as like a regular phone call. In my case, it doesn't work because I don't have any SIM card installed currently, but it would most definitely work on your device and mine as well if I just installed a SIM card. But that's how it works. These are the easiest way how you can filter stuff. Outside of that, you can make your way to the settings and also set up modes and routines, which includes the do not disturb mode, and this also allows you to kind of like filter callers, but that's a bit more specific. I think that the first options are going to be good enough for the majority of people, but that would be all from me. I hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.